Alternating current passes through a resistor. Phasor diagram. What is an alternating current? It is a current which varies sinusoidally with time. Consider an AC source which supplies sinusoidally varying potential difference to a resistor R. The potential difference across the source can be represented as V, which is equal to Vm sin omega t. We call it as equation number 1. The current through the circuit can be calculated using Kirchhoff's loop rule, summation of EMF over the entire cycle through the circuit is 0. Using Ohm's law, the current I is equal to voltage divided by resistance. Substituting for V, Vm sin omega t by R. And this Vm by R is the current amplitude Im. So I equal to Im sin omega t, which is equation number 2. Look at equations 1 and 2. Both are having phase angle omega t, which means EMF and current or voltage and current are in phase when AC passes through a resistor, or there is no phase difference between voltage and current. Let us verify this using graph. Look at this graph. X-axis is representing omega t, phase angle, and y-axis represents voltage or current. When omega t equal to 0, from the equation for V equal to Vm sin omega t, V equal to Vm sin 0. Sin 0 is 0. Current Im sin omega t 0, current is also 0. When omega t is pi by 2, voltage is Vm sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1, so V equal to Vm. Similarly, current equal to Im sin pi by 2. For omega t pi, again voltage and current is having 0 value. For omega t 3 times pi by 2, voltage is minus Vm, current is minus Im. For angle 2 pi, EMF or voltage and current are again 0. Now look at the graph. In the graph, when omega t is 0, both voltage and current are 0. And when omega t is pi by 2, when the angle is pi by 2, the voltage and current are having maximum values. I is having maximum value Im, voltage is having maximum value Vm. When omega t is pi, once again the current and voltage is becoming 0. When omega t equal to 3 times pi by 2, the voltage and current are having maximum value but in the opposite direction. Current is minus Im and voltage is minus Vm. And when omega t equal to 2 pi, again current and voltage are 0. So when omega t varies from 0 to 2 pi, the voltage and current are varying from 0 to maximum in the positive y direction, then decreasing to 0, increasing from 0 to maximum in the negative y direction and becoming 0. Or EMF and current are in phase. There is no phase difference between EMF and current. Now let us see how to represent AC current and voltage by rotating vectors or phasors. What is a phasor? A phasor is a vector which rotates about the origin with an angular speed, say omega. The same graph is plotted here, and this is the phasor which represent voltage, and this is the phasor which represent current. The vertical components of phasors V and I represent the sinusoidal variation of voltage and current. The magnitude of phasors V and I represent the amplitudes or peak value Vm and Im of this oscillating voltage and current. The figure shows voltage and current phasors and their relationship at time t1 for the case of an AC source connected to a resistor, corresponding to the circuit what we had discussed earlier. Now the projection of voltage and current phasors on the vertical axis, which is Vm sin omega t1 and Im sin omega t1, represents value of voltage and current respectively. We see that the phasors V and I for the case of resistor are in the same direction for all the time, which means that the phase difference between voltage and current is 0 in the circuit in which AC passes through a resistor. Thank you.